I come over here and I work with my friends, kind of like a second family I got. My name is Silvestre Sanchez Castillo, and I'm a yoke cutter. I've been here in MasterCraft for 17 years, and I've been yoke cutting for 16. You have to have a very good technique. It takes time, a lot of dedication to do it. They bring it to us with a work order where they tell us what colors they need, how they want it painted, and then we go from there. Whenever you spray gel coat, you gotta use a lot of techniques because what I do is very important. All this paint is the more important thing to this job and this facility because it's what you see on the streets, that's what you see on every market, that's what you see everywhere. What makes me more proud about doing my job is because I'll be driving to the road and I see a MasterCraft boat and I remember the colors. Sometimes I see the silver flakes and it's 100% or 50% chance that I sprayed the boat, and that made me feel good. Handcraft, that means to me, it made me feel good to myself. It made me feel good for everybody that touching these boats because it take a bunch of hands that goes through, and there's a lot of people that touching these boats. To me, it's the best place I've been working. I prefer to stay here than go anywhere else. I'm Silvestre, and this is MasterCraft HandCrafted. Got it? All right, man.